wrote you a symphony just to say I'm a...
What's up, my tea babies? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So y'all, today we're gonna be cooking with your girl T. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna make us some chicken. Not just no any chicken, y'all. It's gonna be some ranch chicken today. It's my first time trying to make some ranch chicken, so I hope it come out right, y'all. So we're gonna get right to this video, but before we get into this video, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I should have to tell y'all should already know what to do, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like and comment down below. Make sure y'all turn them bells on so y'all won't miss a video that your girl posts, okay? So right now, first step, we're gonna wash out the sink first. Alright, y'all, so we got the sink washed. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. Alright, y'all, so you can't wash no chicken in no dirty sink with no dirty hands. So I already put my chicken up in this strainer right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and empty it in the sink. Let's bring drain that chicken and put it in the bowl. Cause yeah, probably have to re-drain it again. Cause all the water gonna be draining your chicken off. I mean, draining the seasoning off your chicken. So we gonna do this. Do it just like that. Okay. I ain't got no pepper towels cause I usually damp the chicken. Hold on, let me pull y'all up. Okay. Cause it's cutting my head off, so let's just bring y'all back. Okay. So I usually damp the chicken to dry it. But unfortunately, I ain't got no paper towels right now. So and we will be cooking this in the air fryer. So let me go ahead and get that plugged up. I got the air fryer plugged in. Now I'm finna add my seasoning. We're gonna go in with the lemon pepper seasoning. Can't have chicken without this. So, y'all season it till y'all like it. Don't tell me if it's too much or not, because I do have me and my family like it. So, you know, I ain't trying to be mean, I'm just saying. Because y'all know how people are. Okay? And y'all know I said I'm making ranch chicken, but you just don't want to have just ranch on your chicken. You gotta have other type of flavors too. So, next season we're gonna go in with some accent. See accent? Okay, yeah. So we're gonna go in with some accent. Okay. This about to be gone. Let's go ahead and trash that. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some garlic powder. So this is the key. If y'all want to put like more flavors and stuff on your chicken, don't use no salt. Use powder, because salt makes it salty. You get it? Okay. Garlic powder. Okay. So we don't need a lot of that. Then we're gonna come in with some seasoned oil. You know what I'm saying? Some seasoned salt. And then, hold on. So basically I'm making some honey roasted. And I say honey roasted, Lord. Some roasted ranch chicken and other flavors. Okay, so this is new. So here go the ranch seasoning right here. Get it. Okay, y'all get it. Got it. Okay. So not just I'm making some ranch chicken. I'm gonna be making some. Hold on now. I'm gonna be making some green beans and some macaroni too. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I hope this come out right. Boom. Go ahead and dab this ranch on there. Dab. Dab ranch on here. Dab. Okay. this ain't a bad book. I don't know. But y'all get it. So now we're gonna take our hands, our clean hands. Just get all of it in. Now all together. Mix the seasonings around. Oh my God. I don't know now. This ain't smell good, but it don't look like how my normal chicken is looking. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse my hands off. Alright, put my seasoning to the side. I already got my air fryer plugged up. So now it's ready. So we're gonna take the chicken. This how I like to do my chicken. Fold the legs. I'm gonna leave it open. But normally I fold the legs up so all of it can fit here. But it's like 5-6 pieces can fit in this air fryer. But y'all wanna make sure y'all chicken is thawed out when y'all doing this. Y'all can cook frozen chicken in the air fryer, but I think thawed out is better and get it done faster. So yeah. Okay. Make sure y'all making it make room in there. Okay. Oh, he wanna fire. Alright. I had to fix that. Now, even though it's thawed out, I'm gonna cook this chicken in here for like 21 minutes, maybe 22. So I'm gonna turn it on, roast, turn it on 360, turn it up to, I'm gonna do 22 just to be sure. Boom. Alright, now this chicken, I'm not gonna put my sauce on until I put this chicken in, okay? So everything can be done quickly. And y'all see my background? Y'all wanna know why you ain't got no real stove or nothing? Go watch my previous video, say what my channel will be about, then y'all know what my background look like the way you do. And yeah, so okay, we're gonna put these up. Boom. And it's gonna leave it right there. We're gonna put the top over this chicken right there. So yeah, I'm coming to y'all when this first batch done. Alright y'all, I'm back. So my chicken is finally done. And this is the outcome, y'all. Don't they look good? Okay. Ooh, so we're gonna take this out. Alright, so y'all, don't this chicken look good? Anyway, y'all just put that chicken in the microwave. So then I'm gonna put this chicken in the air fryer, and then we're gonna come back, and then I'm gonna show y'all when I put the sauce on, and then yeah. Really forgot to update y'all. I had 2 more pieces of chicken left. I put it in the air fryer already, whatever. And I just made my macaroni. I went on did it because my kids are hungry. So got the cheese. Cheese all melted and stuff, and it's looking good. And now I gotta add some pepper. I'm trying to find it, but I just can't seem to find it. And by the way, yes, I'm using the sun for it, but I washed it out, so don't say nothing to me. Anyway, let's find this pepper. Now I'm gonna add the pepper. I'm gonna put the green beans on. Got these little cut green beans right here. Put 2 cans on, and then I'm just gonna show y'all when I'm done with the food. Finally done, and ta-da! Can y'all see that? Look at that. Oh, it's still hot too. Look at that. See that chicken? You got the macaroni, the green beans, and yes, y'all, some ranch chicken macaroni green beans. Your girl, get up. By the way, this is not my plate. This is my fiance plate, and I know he finna smash, cause guess who cooked your girl T? Anyway, y'all, you know, if y'all wanna everything I use, every detail, even on my green beans, like, comment down below and let me know, because I will definitely give it to y'all. You know what I'm saying? So alright y'all, that's the end of this video. If y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a fast thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to your girl channel, because I told you that's only gonna get litty and littier. But anyway, I just like saying that. I don't know why. But yeah, y'all. So that's my little cooking vlog or whatever. Me making some first time making some ranch chicken. Hopefully the chicken is very good. I know it is because guess who cooked it? Me. But anyway, I see you guys. Oh, if y'all have not watched my previous videos, make sure y'all go watch my videos because I got more videos coming and it just doesn't stop. But anyway, y'all, I see you guys in my next little video. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. And I see my T babies in the next little video. Peace.